Hello guys, welcome to ARCT Originals. Okay, so this is also an unboxing video. So we'll be unboxing a product which might be a bit surprising or not surprising. You can take it however you want. So let's get into the unboxing of this surprise product. So it's a mystery or surprise unboxing. Okay, and here's the product. Okay, I hope you have seen it. Okay, I'll just open the outer package of it, then we'll unbox the product. The outer package is just a carton. I'll open it and I'll show it to you now. And here it is, the box. Okay, I'll just get the things inside out. And here's the bill, and here's the product. Okay, I've taken it out. Okay, there's nothing else big in this carton, so I'll just keep it the side. And here is the product. That's a stylus. The Tusker, or what do I call it? Okay, let me say Tusker. Okay, a Tusker stylus pen. So it says this is a magical stylus. It's compatible with iOS, Android and Windows. So fully compatible, universal compatibility, sorry. And it has a replacement tip for your iPhone and iPad. Wow. Okay, and backside it's written, hope you can see it now. Features and details: good precision, widely compatible and convenient features. What's in the box? So it says a Tusker Dusk. It's a disc stylus pen with replacement tip. The features are 168mm length, capacitive touch, accurate drawing and writing, compatible with all touch enabled devices. Wow. Lightweight metal body, no battery required. That's the main thing, man. Okay, so let's unbox this. So the opening, it opens like this, and when I open it, there's a cloth like structure over there, and I take it out. Wow, can't believe this. So here's, and so it's comments with Amazon community. Okay, it's a review card from Amazon. And unhappy, wow, if you're happy we can comment on Amazon, and unhappy to the mail. Oh, very good, nice. And 5-star. Okay, the same card. And here's the pen, so I'm just removing it. Oh, I can't just hold it. It's very sleek with a T logo right here. And I open it. Wow, as you can see, this tip, see, the tip is really nice. So the pen's finish is also really nice. And here is the cap. It's a magnetic cap, man. So I just keep it. Oh, it's fallen down. Just keep it like this. It just attaches. Keep it. Attaches. Okay, now let's test this on 2 or 3 devices. Okay. Okay, and I've got the pen here and I've got a phone here. So now we'll just test it like this. Open the pen, leave the cap there, and Wow, 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 wow. It's so sleek. So sleek. So sleek. And here's a game. Nice. And good. So very nice. So now we'll give it a writing test with the whiteboard now. And the whiteboard test now. Nice. So clear. You can see it. So clear again. What shall we write? Okay. ARCT originals. Okay, I just now got space here. H is come here. So clear again. So what shall we write? Camera. Cam. E. R. A. Clear. H. E. A. D. P. H. O. N. E. So that's really nice. So it can also be used to take notes like when you're on your classes. So getting and good stylus. So okay, my handwriting is a little bad in this because this is the first time I'm using a stylus on a pen. So I'll be improving and I'll show it to you the next time I get a stylus. Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, ARCT Originals. Okay, and the smiley, that's small, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Okay, just thank you guys.